Hello students, welcome to English class. Students, once again we are starting the novel Heidi. Today we are going to start story 5, Two Unexpected Visitors. Before moving to this story, let's revise previous story. In that story you have seen that it was too cold on the mountains. Heidi had to stay at home with her grandfather. One day, when the weather was fine, they visited Peter's home. She enjoyed a lot there. Now let's start story 5. Heidi's second winter on the mountain was nearly over. She was now 7 years old but hasn't gone to school yet. One morning, she saw an old man standing at the door. He was a village person. He visited their home to convince her grandfather to send Heidi to school. What happened one day, a village person visited their home. Person means the head of a religious institute. He came there to convince Heidi's grandfather to send her to a school as she was now 7 years old. But grandfather refused to do so because he thought it was too dangerous for her to travel up and down the mountain in the winter. He said that he wished her to remain as free as a bird. Then Parson tried to convince him to move down into the village. The parson said, "Yes, it is dangerous for Heidi. Then you should move to the village. You can do any work there." But he didn't accept it also. They waved goodbye to each other and the parson left their house. The next morning there came one another guest. And you know who was that another guest? She was Mrs. Date, Heidi's aunt. She also came there to take Heidi with her. She said that she has arranged a rich family for her. There was a disabled girl, disabled having any weakness in the body physically, and that girl was unable to walk. She spent her days in a wheelchair. She said Heidi will take her lessons with her and be her companion. What did her aunt say? She said she can study with that girl. But grandfather shouted, "I am not interested in sending Heidi." Then Heidi's aunt flew up like a rocket. It means she became very angry. She said Heidi had to go with her. "That's enough," thundered the old man. Thunder means shouted. "Take her and spoil her. I don't want to see her here again." Heidi was also upset at her aunt's behavior because her aunt made her grandfather angry. But she convinced Heidi to go with her. Dad caught hold of Heidi with one hand and set off down the mountain. And that was the end of the story. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.